Ben. Let's see, Ben needs a spoon. Here, here's a spoon for Ben. Okay.
Ben. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Amelia. That's very nice. I'll help Ben eat it, okay?
Okay.
Ben!
This is
Ben!
for me.
Ben!
This spoon is for you, or would you like this spoon?
Ben!
I really like this.
Ben, Ben!
That's smaller.
Yeah.
Yes.
Can you say, Happy birthday?
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to
I
Ben.
keep getting these with his mouth is half open.
Well,
Ben!
I have to bite.
Ben! Ben! Are you recording?
Strawberry.
Would you like some
Sorry,
strawberry?
Daddy. It's probably not recording.
Strawberry.